to give you this good news. You can earn money on Facebook, but by the end of this video you will know why you should use your one type of content to hit like 3 to 4 stones at a go. We are now in the month of October, and behold, by right now as you watch this video, you should be in position to see your dashboard. If you know you are on Facebook, you're on YouTube, you're on TikTok, you're on Instagram, and see how much exactly did you earn in the last month. When we're talking about the last month, we're talking about the month of September. That is from 1st September to 30th September. And it's making money with your smartphone. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This is Christine, the lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. So we are going to be seeing, you guys, all of us, we have to earn money with our smartphone. But now we are going to be seeing how much I earned in the month of September from Facebook. If you compare it with YouTube, what do I encourage you to do? Where do you specifically should rely on? Yes, I earned on Facebook, and we're going to go together. You'll be seeing the screenshots and some of the photos some screenshots on the screen. I'll take you through the journey of Facebook. You guys, I was a bit demonetized some time back from Facebook. After being monetized, my monetization was put on hold. Then later they gave it to me. I've been earning, but specifically this month I want to show you how I earned. So when I compare it with the YouTube is 100% better as to payments and to the energy that I've put in, because what I put on Facebook, by the way, is like 3 times what I put on YouTube. On Facebook I can put like 4, 5, 6, 7 posts per day, but on YouTube I put there 1 or 2. So let's go together. How do you start earning on Facebook? For you to start earning on Facebook, one, you have to reach 5,000 followers, not subscribers, and you have to be consistent. You should have at least for 3 months and above, you should have been consistently posting. Yes, you should have at least stayed like 3 months on Facebook. So let's go together and see exactly what we have on Facebook for the month of September. Don't mind about me. After work, I'm doing this video at the comfort of my home. No feelings, but we need to learn such that at the end of the day, you know, where should I put my energy so much. So if you want to see how much you earned, if you maybe you are new, I want you to go to touch in your profile. I'm talking about a page. If you have also a profile, you can also follow the same way we are doing. You touch on the profile app, like for me, I'm touching on my Immaculate Show. Then it will bring for you an interface. That interface, it will bring dashboard. Go and touch in the dashboard. In this dashboard, it's where you're going to get everything. You're going to get insights, you're going to get content, you're going to get engagement, and you're going to go ahead and even get monetization. So directly go and touch on monetization. As we talk on monetization, as I recorded this video, I'd already in the first day I'd already gotten 0.08. That is so it's encouraging, but you'll come to know why I'm making this video. Then you go and view payment activity. But before we view payment activity, I want you to see your insights. I want you to see like how Immaculate Show we performed. Do you know in the month of September we had enough? By the way, we performed a bit lower than August. August, I think we are above August, we are below August like by 18%. So from there, I want you to see what worked well. What worked well in August was photos mainly, and what worked well in September was mainly reels and videos and others. So the photos were beat down. And also what I want to tell you, not everything you put on Facebook will be monetized. I'm still cracking my head to see what exactly, which criteria do they use, because I try by all means, whenever I see that photo is monetized, I try by all means to see that I follow what I did in that photo. So let's go to the content. When we go to the content, I put enough content, I'm telling you. Then the insights, like the way we talked about, we see the graph in September. By the way, from September 1st it was a bit low up to September 25th. From September 25th, as to earnings, the earnings shoot up. So the earnings started shooting up from 25th to 30th. Then again on 30th, around 30th, 28th, it went down. Reasons are very many. When you go to Facebook on Insights, you'll even see that you are in a position to see which people are watching your content. Is it 100% from your followers or 100% from this? You'll see everything, that your followers either they are the ones watching or non-followers are the ones watching. And when you see that one, it gives you a hint of what to do next. And then you see, like me, I was they show you that that like messaging is also very important. Also they show you the reels, how I worked. In a reel I worked like 4.5k views. Photos it was 2.7k views. Text also I got money, multi-photo and other things. And the people who watched me most are men, 66% compared to women, which is 33%. This is so funny. Women not supporting their fellow women. Then you'll go and even see the location from the topmost, the ones who are following and the ones who are not following. Engagement, it was a bit super up. Then what we want to know is about payments. Earnings were a bit lower than August. You can't believe this, by some like 17%. But now let me come to tell you, the same info that you put on Facebook is the same info that I was putting on YouTube. But do you know YouTube, I worked like 100 times more than Facebook. So what is now my take I'm telling you about Facebook? You can have 1,000 of views, but you might not earn as expected like the way you can earn on YouTube. So my humble request to all creators, if you know you're starting, especially YouTube is a game changer. It does no harm for you to concentrate more on YouTube. Then whatever you put on YouTube, put it on Facebook, but focus more on YouTube, because YouTube is extremely it paid me 1,000 times than Facebook, and most people are facing that. If you know you can agree with me, put it in the comment section. So the purpose of this video is to tell you, concentrate more on Facebook than concentrating on YouTube. However, kill 2 birds at a go, 3 birds at a go, because if you're putting 3 videos on YouTube, cut them and put them on Facebook, but don't burn your head for Facebook. You guys, happy new month. Hopefully October is going to be very beautiful for us. Let me see you in another video.